Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another important example related to Angular pipe, where we will learn about the new pipe, that is number pipe. Okay, so by the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is number pipe, why do we use it, what are the benefits of using it, and other related things related to number pipe. Okay. But before we proceed further and start with the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular pipe number. Okay. Alright, so let's get started, and we will proceed in very same way. Like firstly I'll tell you the requirement. After the requirement we will talk about the modules or the prerequisites thing that we need, and then one by one we will write the code from the scratch itself. Okay. Alright, so let's get started. Go to app.component.ts file. Here in or let's go to app.component.html file. Here you can see one heading is already coming, that is Angular 19 course by Sharmit. So after this we will put another heading which will show the topic name. So today's topic name is %pipe in Angular. Okay, %pipe in Angular. So we are going to learn about this %pipe, like what it is, why do we use it, and what are the benefits of it. Now to use this %pipe, we should import one module, that is common module, because it comes with a common module. So let's go to app.component.ts file. Here you can see we have this space in import section where we can put the name of the module that we wanted to import. For example, here we want to import common module, so you can simply write it common module. And once you write this thing here, it will automatically add this line into your code. That means your common module is successfully imported, and now you can utilize all the directives, basic directives and basic pipe. Same thing you can verify by taking your mouse cursor over here. So you can see it shows export all the basic Angular directives and pipes, such as ngif, ng-for of, decimal pipe, and so on. But for this example we just want to use make use of Angular %pipe. So I think we are good with this. Now in case if you want to do these all things on the basis of some variable value, so you can create one numeric value here, and then you can perform the operation. But for now I'll just directly use the numbers in the HTML screen itself, and from there only, like, we will apply all those % related parameters. Okay. So let's go to app.component.html file. Here you can see we have Angular 19 course by Sharmit, and then when we have one heading, that is %pipe in Angular. So now what I'll do, I'll put one paragraph over here where we will write number value without %pipe. Okay. So firstly we will print the value as it is. So just put colon. After the colon we will use double curly braces, and inside this double curly braces we will write here the value, that is, let's say 0.259. So this is the value which I want to print without any modification. So you can save it and refresh it. Let me run this. So to run the application you need to write ng-serve --open, enter. Wait for few seconds, and then it will show you the output. And here we can see we have Angular 19 course by Sharmit, %pipe in Angular, number values without %pipe is 0.259. So as of now we can see the value is coming as it is. We created the value as 0.259, and here you can see we assigned the value, and it is coming in the same way only. That means if you want to use any pipe in order to convert your normal numeric value into the normal numeric value into the percentage format, string % format, then in that case you can utilize the %pipe of Angular. Clear? So I think agenda is clear, purpose is clear, like why we are learning it and how we are learning it. Now next what we will do, we will simply use one operator here to make it percentage. Okay, so for that you can write p, then we will write here number value with percent pipe. Okay, prior to that let me tell you the syntax also, because if you don't know the syntax then it would be a bit difficult for you to understand the thing. So what I'll do, maybe some of you are referring it for the notes also, so for them, like, I'll just create the syntax of the number pipe, not number pipe, the percent pipe. So let me put here one heading, that is h2, and then we can write here number expression. So syntax is like this, we will write here syntax, then we will write here number expression, pipe symbol, then we will write here percent, then colon, after a colon we will write here digits info. Okay, now what is this digit info? So let me put a note here. So digits info is digits info format is, then colon, and then you can write min integer digits, which is nothing but a minimum integer digits. So it tells the Angular like how many minimum digits should be there for the number. Okay, then we have second thing that comes with a dot or full stop, you can say. So that is min fraction digits. Okay, so this would be the second thing, and after that you have to write max fraction digit, max of fraction digits. Okay, min integer digits, then we have min fraction digits and hyphen max fraction digit. So these this is the exact syntax that we are supposed to follow while passing the values to it. Okay, I'll show you some examples, so it will cover all those scenarios like that we use here. So now let's say if you want to convert it to no decimal place, so in that case what we will do, we will put colon here, then we'll use double curly braces, and inside this we will put the number that is 0.259, then pipe symbol, after that we will write here percent, and then we will write here colon, and inside a colon we will write 1.0 hyphen 0. Perfect. So now you can see the output is coming as 25,009. Okay, something is wrong. What we put 0.259, right? Let me check, or let's make it as 0.25 for now for the better understanding. Let's save it. 0.25, something is wrong. Oh, we forgot to add this, that is the problem. Let me correct it. So make it 259, and here in the number we provided 259, not 0 point. Perfect. So now you can see it is coming as 26%. Why? Because we have chose the no decimal syntax. So here min integer value is 1, min fraction digit is 0, and min max fraction digit is 0. Got it? Fine. Now to save the time, I'll just simply copy it and make the changes in the string. So here let's say we want to make it as 1.1 hyphen 1. So it will show different output. So you can see 25.9. Okay, so in this way, like, it is showing exactly one decimal place. Okay, and then you can paste it again to change the value. This time I will make it as 1.2 hyphen 2. Save it. This time it is coming as 25.90%. Then you can paste it again. So these are the value that I'm providing. You can also provide as per your own need, or you can do a hit and try in order to first understand this format. So you can see 25.9. So it all comes in this way, like you have to try the values and as per the requirement, because syntax is there, you know how to put the values, so then you can just put the values and get the output as per your requirement. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you so much for watching Tech Sharmit.